Hello guys, hope you all are fine. So in this video, I will show you, I will tell you all the details about vidIQ, how it will be work and what is vidIQ basically. So in today's video, I will thought that I will completely introduce the vidIQ. Basically, vidIQ is an extension which you can use pro and also free to increase to improve your YouTube channel, and if you want to grow your YouTube channel, you will definitely want to have a great extension like vidIQ to grow your channel exactly 110% sure. So in this video I will tell you about some details of Wikipedia, and also I will tell you how you can use Wikipedia. First of all, you can go to your Chrome browser. In your extension bar, here you will type vidIQ, and then you will enter it. You can see one of the top extension with the name of vidIQ. You will download it and add it to your YouTube channel. Here you will add your Gmail, your YouTube channel Gmail, and then they will tell you the SEO marks and all above for your YouTube channel. So let's start the video. Here I have opened my Wikipedia. From Wikipedia, vidIQ is an online education website that offers video tutorial and analytics on YouTube channel growth. The website also has a Google Chrome extension which allows users to analyze YouTube analytics data. vidIQ has often been compared with the Google Chrome extension TubeBuddy, which has similar features to vidIQ. History: vidIQ was founded by Rob Shandy and Todd Troxell in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania in 2011. In 2011, Sandy and Troxell were originally focused on the distribution issues of the website. However, they later switched to focusing on YouTube analytics in March 2013. vidIQ operated at the founder Dan demo night in June 2020 in June 2013. The website was verified by YouTube after passing the YouTube certification program. In 2016, the hacker group Overmind hacked into multiple big YouTube channels after the passwords were leaked in third-party database dumps. After hacking into accounts, Overmind used vidIQ ability to modify all of channels, video titles and descriptions at one out ad hacked by Overmind. vidIQ took the data breaches very seriously and temporarily passed the side section relating to the YouTube API to prevent further breaches. vidIQ researched the password for most big YouTubers and implemented a multi-factor authorization feature for when users try to edit video title and description. Restriction: in May 2020, Manikanta Imani and Bebel Sports reviewed the website and its Google Chrome extension, in which Imani praised vidIQ for numerous reasons. Measurable listen vidIQ as one of the best way to grow a YouTube channel. Here's some references. So basically, this is our today's video. I will tell you about vidIQ, how you can use vidIQ to grow your YouTube channel. vidIQ is the simple steps, and this is extension of YouTube. You can download from Google Chrome and add to your YouTube, and then they will guide you how you can grow your channel. They will also see you some other videos, tags, descriptions, and such like that. So hope you all guys are like my video. Thank you.